we are going to recycle this because the remote is not working. Screw this one out, and now I'm going to screw this one out so we can get into it. Okay, now we've unscrewed that one. We're going to take the body off and then wiggle this out.
Oops.
Now, if it's stuck there, you might want to push like that, and then you'll get the front steering out. And you would put the screw up at your workspace, and you might want to use it again for put it back together once you've got it out. There might be something holding it in the same, holding it there.
You did it.
You pull this off, and then you'll have this. And that should come out like that.
Great.
We put the truck back together, but we've got all the electronics from it. So now we've plugged them in, but this left does not work. So what my plan is to do is to have a helicopter blade and wheels that go forward. Okay, here the motor has been broken off, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to solder it. We've got our Lego that we're going to hot glue with this all around this so it'll fit Lego, but you must be careful that it has to fit. Like that goes on the bottom, for example, and that goes on the top with some stuff that goes all over it. Check if it works again. And it still works? Oh no, no. Is that one working?
Yep.
Good.
Good. Good job. We're just going to cut the gears off, and I did that towards the end of the first motor. Found it much easier. Just be careful. Make sure, obviously, an adult does this.
We're going to drill this on there.
So let's see if it fits now.
Basically now what we're going to do is try to put this on. And now it does fit. We can now test it. Now it's all done, and that's glued in, and that is glued in. And now the battery's in, and let's test the remote. That works. That works.
Wow. Alright, what are you going to make with it?
Now we're going to make something out of it.
Alright.
So, I'll take another video. See you next time. So we've built it in Lego now, and we're going, and with the what's it called? The wheel motor won't work. So what we're going to use it as now is a brake. So that will spin like this.
Is that remote controlled?
And it is remote controlled. Sorry. A little sunroom where the man is inside with his teacup.
Teacup. Very manly teacup.
And he's got these little doors on the side. And they open. How?
And then you want to show them the motor in the back. Doesn't quite work because it's not powerful enough.
Yep, so it'll only be as the brake. So yeah.
Yeah, see, not quite powerful enough.
Go around it round.
You
So now it works. And it's got so much fresh air, you can use it as a fan. Let's see.
Cool. Good job. What a great project.